I think it's absolutely crazy that the most researched supplement on the planet is also one of the most misunderstood. The supplement I'm talking about is creatine. And you may have seen trainers or coaches tell you on TikTok or Instagram, whatever have you, that creatine will wreck your kidneys, it will dehydrate you, and you need to avoid it. Well, the reason these people are saying that because they really don't understand how creatine actually works. Now, here's the fear that they sell you. They say that creatine raises your creatinine levels, and high creatinine levels mean that your kidneys are failing. So they tell you to stop taking it or buy whatever supplement they're trying to sell instead. Usually it's going to be some type of electrolytes because they're telling you that you need to stay hydrated because the creatine is taking away all the fluids from your body and putting it into your muscles. But here's what they're missing. Your creatinine levels can also be higher if you have more muscle, if you eat a high protein diet, if you train hard. So otherwise, it describes a lot of people who lift on a regular basis. If you were going to get a blood test and your creatinine levels came back elevated, and there was actually a question about your kidney function, your doctor could also look at other blood markers such as cystatin C. It's much less affected by muscle mass, diet, or creatine, so it actually will help you to have a much clearer picture about what's going on in your blood. So don't panic over just one thing, but you have to look at the whole picture of that blood work, and your physician can help you with that. Now let's talk about the dehydration myth. So yes, creatine is going to pull water into your muscle cells, but that's a part of how it works. It's not dehydration. For most people, drinking enough water is all you're going to need. You don't need to get all of these electrolytes because you're taking 5 grams of creatine. Bottom line, you're probably working in an office, an air-conditioned office. You're not outside in a blue-collar job, sweating your butt off. Creatine is one of the most safest and studied and most effective supplements that you can take. So please, please, please don't let someone who doesn't understand the science scare you away from taking it. Save this post and send it to the person who told you that creatine ruins your kidneys. And follow Coach Henry for more truth about supplements. And that's why